Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I got my afro look on a twist out. Yes, so my hair is already washed and I put leave-in conditioner, and of course I put my carrot oil that I made myself at home. And if you're wondering how to make a carrot oil, it's simple. I'll put the link below because I already upload the videos, and I'll also put the link on how I wash my hair so you can watch the video. Very easy and simple. So as you can see, I braid almost my hair, and I'm putting the eco gel right at the end of my hair just to smooth the hair, and then I'm rolling my hair around my finger and then put the baby pin to secure the hair. So I part the hair in two, and my part I put it on the side because that's where I want to have the style. So you can put it in the middle or on the side, wherever you want to put it. It's really up to you. So I'm doing the same thing on the other side. I'm braiding the other side. Braiding hair is really easy. If you don't know, you just have to practice, and I'm sure you will do it. If I can do it, yes, you can do it too. So I think I have 9 braids on my head, I believe. So right now I'm doing this exactly the same thing like I did on the other side. I put the eco gel, and then I'm rolling the hair on my finger, and then I'll secure the hair with the baby pin. There you go. And then the next day, this is how my hair looks like the next day. It's moisturized and ready to unbraid it. So now first thing I'm gonna do and remove all the baby pin around my hair, and then I'm gonna go ahead use shea moisture oil. I love this oil, just to give my hair a little more of moisture. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start unbraid my hair. You can see already that the curl is looking really nice. You just have to be very careful when you're doing unbraiding your hair, because you don't want to lose all the curl. Just be very gentle when you're doing that to keep your curl. And that's the first part that I did, and I'm gonna go ahead and do exactly the same thing and braid all my hair. I'm just I'm taking my time to do that. And this is the first look. I left one braid on the front. I kind of see that it was cute. So this is the first look with a braid out on the front. So now I'm going ahead and pick until you get the volume that you're looking for, the style that you want. You're just picking on the bottom and keep the top nice. And I'm really happy with this look. It looks very nice. The volume, it's exactly what I was looking for. And yeah, it's very easy to achieve this look. And I'm very pleased with the look. So I'm just fixing it till I get the desire I want, till I get to where I really want my hair to look like, and then I'll stop. So that's really up to you guys. So right there I'm just pulling my baby hair, just to make it look nice, and voila, that's the look. I love it. I'm in love with it. So that's the first look, and I'm gonna go ahead now show you my second look when I unbraid the braid that I left in the front, and you can see. So I kind of try, you know, accessorize it. It looks cute. I love it. So this is the result after I unbraid the braid that I left. And yeah, I love it. I love both style. It looks great on me, and it's very easy to manage, very easy to achieve. As you can see, guys, you just have to braid your hair, and look at the hair I got now. It's beautiful. I love it, and I hope you also love it. I hope you enjoy it. Please share with your friends and family. Don't, you know, keep it for yourself. Share for someone that can, you know, who wants to look like this, who want to go for Afro and don't know what to do. So please share with your friends and family. Like, comment, and of course don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. So I love you so much, guys, and I'll see you next time with my new videos. Bye bye.